Hey everyone, SEMO-MAC here, coming to you with another product review. Um, so what I got here is a hydraulic cart that I picked up at Harbor Freight over the weekend. Um, Actually got it on an open box deal, which was really sweet. Let's do a little walk around here with it, and then I will make it to where we can actually see where I'm talking about it here. But it is the 500-pound, really nice. It's got the floor or the foot pump on it. And you got your hand release there. So I just kind of want to give you a review on this. It's sitting right here. It's got the swivel, two back swivel casters on the back. They do lock, and I don't know if I can actually get you down there to see that, but they do lock. Two back are the swivel. Front is actually stationary. Handle does come off. All you got to do is undo those two bolts right there. Handle pulls off, so you can actually store it. So let me get this. I'm going to turn this around. All right, so now we got this turned around here. I'm going to actually try to show you this actually in use. One good thing I really like about this is that when I'm servicing these little generators, these little 2500s, like I said, in previous videos I showed you that I got two of them. They're not real heavy. You're looking at around, I don't know, about 50 pounds, something like that. But when you're putting them up on a table to try to service them, like I do, because number one, I got bad knees. I've already had 2 knee surgeries, actually 3 knee surgeries, 2 on one on the other. You don't like to squat down, and these things, to service them, they're real easy, but I like doing it where I can actually, it's up and I can work with it. This right here is perfect for this. You're not going to break your back trying to put up on an actual table. You're not. I mean, this thing will come off. It's actually got a little mat right here, as you can see right there. These little mats are really good. It comes with it, so it's not going to slip on you. So just to show you how this works, here's your foot pump. Literally, all we're doing is getting a little workout. So not only am I working on stuff, I'm getting worked out. I'm working out too. So I don't want nobody telling me that I don't work out there today, because I do. Here we go. And this actually goes up to roughly right at 35, 36 inches from the floor. So as you see right here, I now can work on what I need to work on. It's awesome. I can do what I need to do. I can take the backs off. I can drain the oil. I can scoot this back if I need to actually drain the oil. This thing, I can roll it around anywhere. I mean, I can take it, roll it around, do what I need to. Give you an action shot here. Hey there, whoa, hell yeah. So, as I'm saying, these things are really cool. So, really easy. Now, I will say, you do not want to probably roll these outside or on gravel, because if you do, probably not going to roll all that well. I've actually tried to look at to see if I can put some bigger casters on there to actually use it outside. So far, I have not came up with anything, but if I do, I will definitely make a video on it, so it might can help somebody out there. But real easy. These things are very handy. Like I said, I got this on an open box, one of the Harbor Freights that were around with me. Got a heck of a deal on it. They're regular like $249. I ended up getting it for $159. So I'm not complaining at all. Like I said, I am getting older. My back is not like it used to be. Yeah, I'm a big guy. I can still lift pretty good, but if I can make it easier on myself so I can live a little bit longer, I'm definitely going to do that. But as far as putting this thing down, it's a one hand as you see, is this going down. Now you can adjust the bleed on this as far as it, you know, as it going down. But yeah, I mean, I can't complain with it. It's definitely worth the money. And another thing, you know, I really wouldn't want it to go down extremely fast. This right here is fine with me. You're done. Like I said, you can roll it around, do whatever you need to with it. I really wish I had this when I bought my 11,500 watt generator, because I had to lift that thing out of the truck into my side-by-side, and then from my side-by-side into here. If I had this from the truck to the side-by-side, it wasn't bad. But from getting it out of the side-by-side onto the floor here, that took some ingenuity. And I'm talking some redneck ingenuity. But if I had this, it would have fit on there. The box would have fit perfect. And I could have just scooted it on there and lowered it right down, and you would not have a problem with it. Because I was hurting the next day, I ain't gonna lie. But, I mean, these things are steel. If you are looking for something that will make your life easier in your shop and can be used as a workbench, dual purpose, it's a no-brainer. Pick you one of these things up. They are awesome. But with that being said, that's really all I got. There's not a lot to this. This is just something that, you know, it works. And I'm a tightwad, so it being at $249, is it well worth it? Yes, it is. But I wasn't going to pay $249 for it, because I'm just, like I said, I'm cheap. I'd probably rather break my back than actually being cheap. But it is what it is. But at the price I got this for, I can't complain with it, and I'm extremely happy with it. So, with that being said, this is SEMO-MAC. As always, be kind, love everybody, and I hope y'all have a great day. SEMO-MAC.